Technique number one is about how you sound the TH. Tell me, tell those people. Comment, please. Make an audio. We want to listen to you. How you sound the TH. Great. If you said the, you're correct. Okay? You sound like the. Look at my tongue. The, not they. Okay? In English American accent, they don't sound like they. It doesn't exist. Okay? The boy, the girl. No. The boy, the girl. Okay? For example, those people are watching me right now are so excited because they love to listening to me. They love to watching my podcasts. They love to learn from me. Okay? Example number two. This this microphone was bought in China. This microphone was bought in China. Okay? Okay? And the technique number two is about to repeat. Okay? This is so powerful, repeating when you are studying English. I mean, if you're listening to me right now, for example, you pause the video and you repeat the way how I sound. Or even you can look for a video on YouTube in English, okay? It must be in English, and you listen to this video, so this podcast or watching a video, and then you repeat the way how Donald Trump speaks, for example. How Donald Trump sound, okay? If you want to start American English. And the technique number three, the technique number three is about recording a video or audio. I know it is not easy. It's not easy. It is not easy. But try. Challenge yourself, please. Challenge yourself. Make a video, okay? You're training your accent, okay? You make a video trying